you've been waking up with jaw pain or headaches, are your teeth getting shorter? You might be grinding your teeth at night. It's called bruxism. It can crack your teeth, wear them down, and mess up your sleep. That's where a night guard comes in. It's a custom-made appliance that you wear at night, and it creates a protective barrier between your teeth. That way, you're taking some pressure off of your jaw joints, and you're protecting your teeth at the same time. It's comfortable, easy to use, and it only takes a few weeks to get used to it. Just clean it daily and wear it every night. It'll be the best investment you ever make for your teeth. If this sounds like you, click the link in the bio, make an appointment for your night guard fitting.